In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project milestones in ClickUp. Milestones are key checkpoints that mark major progress in a project, and setting them up correctly makes reporting, timelines, and team alignment much easier. Let's walk through it from creating a space to adding your first milestone. Start by opening ClickUp and looking to the left side of your screen. In the sidebar, find Spaces. Click the plus sign next to Spaces to create a new home for your project. Give your space a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what lives here. Then click Continue. Next, define your workflow. ClickUp offers helpful presets you'll see listed, such as Starter, Marketing Teams, Project Management, and Product Plus Engineering. To keep things simple as you learn the flow, choose Starter for now. You can always tailor or upgrade your workflow later as your processes mature. You'll now review a few setup options. First, default views determine how your team will see tasks by default, like list, board, or calendar. Choose what best matches how your team works. Then look at task statuses. These are the stages your work will move through, from not started to done. Simple, meaningful statuses make it easier to track progress. Finally, check Click Apps. These are optional features like time tracking or custom fields that add power when you need it. Once everything looks good, click Create Space. With your space ready, it's time to add a milestone. Click Add Task. Type a clear name for the milestone. Use a phrasing that reflects a finished outcome so it's obvious when it's achieved. At the top of the task window, you'll see the task type. Click where it says task and switch it to milestone. This tells ClickUp that this item is a significant marker, not a regular deliverable. Assign the milestone to the right person so ownership is clear. If you have multiple contributors, choose the person ultimately responsible for making sure it gets completed. Then set a due date. Milestones are most useful when they're tied to a specific date on your timeline, which helps with planning and visibility across views like Gantt and Calendar. When everything is set, click Create Milestone. You now have a milestone added to your project, ready to be tracked and reported on. As you continue building your plan, repeat this process for each major phase or deliverable you want to highlight. Keep names concise, owners explicit, and dates realistic, and your milestones will give you a reliable picture of progress at a glance.